Today we're going to try a new Monster Energy drink. This is Monster Reserve, and this particular flavor is white pineapple. You may be aware that I love Monster Energy drinks, but I've actually never tested the Monster Reserve series before. It's supposed to be a more premium flavor experience. As always, there's a link in the description below the video. Let's have a quick look at the can design first. We have the traditional Monster logo in the middle with the reserve marking at the bottom there. And then this also has Monster printed vertically like that. This is usually not part of the Monster can design. I think this looks pretty good. Very kind of classy, stylish, minimalistic design for the Monster Reserve white pineapple. Let's find out about that premium flavor. Let's open this up, get this into a glass, and have a closer look and a taste. Here is our Monster Reserve white pineapple in a glass. This is a carbonated drink, and it's foamed quite significantly when I poured it into the glass. Let's have a closer look. You can see here that the drink is kind of semi-transparent. It has a very pineapple-looking color. I think this is a very nicely designed drink experience so far. Looks good. The flavor is pleasant. It's fresh. It tastes of pineapple. Though I don't know what white pineapple specifically is, this to me tastes like pineapple. It's not a particularly complex flavor, but you don't want that in a pineapple flavored drink anyway. I think all in all, my first Monster Reserve was good. I'd be happy to try the other flavors as well, but this is already very good. Would recommend. Learn more about pricing and availability with the link in the description below the video. For another energy drink review, click or tap the screen right here. That's my review of the Monster Ultra Peachy Keen, another potential winner from Monster. Thank you very much for watching 2-minute reviews, and I will see you in the next video.